Hello guys, this is Deepak Sinha over here. I have organized a debate in my institute. There are two girls here and they would talk to each other on the issue of corruption. But here I must tell you one thing, that they are going to talk over who is more corrupt, a leader or an officer, right? So this is Salu Adhikari. Salu Adhikari, you will speak on
Administrators are more corrupt.
administrators are more corrupt, means officers are more corrupt. And you?
Leaders are more corrupt.
Oh, leaders are more corrupt. So you please watch this video, and if they commit any error, you please forgive them. Thank you. Yeah.
So very warm and refreshing good morning to all of you. This is Shalu Adhikari and she is Amisha over here. Today we are going to have a debate over a very controversial topic, that is who is more corrupt. So before speaking, I would like to give my thanks from the bottom of my heart to Deepak Sinha sir, who has given us the wonderful opportunity to speak over this topic and express our views. So first of all, I would like to define what is corruption. So corruption is any illegal fraud, behavior or activity that someone do for his benefits and never accepts his faults. So in my point of view, administrators, that is officers, are more corrupt than a leader. But in this era, somehow they both are corrupt. But in my point of view, administrators are more responsible to lead corruption in the society. They add fuel to fire and boost corruption in the society, and leaders follow the suit. So what are your views on this issue?
So, as you know, according to me, leaders are more corrupt in our country because, as you know, that corruption is a disease which eats the society and it affects everybody in the society. So, political corruption occurs when a political leader does anything for his own purpose. So, according to me, political leaders are more corrupt than administrators.
Sorry to interrupt you, but in my concern, administrators are the part of executive, and in our Indian constitution, the power mainly given to executive, and they have more power, and that is why they do corruption easily. And it is very well known fact that corruption is a hydra-headed problem which hampers the growth of a country, and as a result, a country is never be developing and never be developed country, and India is a developing country because India is corrupt country. So the main reason behind the corruption in India is that the connection between the nexus between leaders and administrators and also criminals. It can easily be seen in this society that officers accept a bribe if you want to get your work done easily and earlier. It can be seen in society that higher officials are accepting bribe to get your work done. So, in my point of view, officers are more corrupt.
No, according to me, leaders are more corrupt because officers have more powers, but still leaders also have power to develop the country and they have right to do anything, but they don't do anything for the betterment of downtrodden and to decrease poverty in our country. They just keep on filling their pocket. They just want to gain for their own purpose. They don't do anything better for the others.
So where there is misuse of power, there is corruption. And what are the reasons of corruption? Lack of poverty, lack of ethical value, lack of honesty, and political instability. So it is found mainly in administration. It is very well known fact that in India, the administrator crack one of the toughest exams. And that is why they are more clever and educated. And they know all the loopholes of the government, they know all the flaws and mistakes of the government. And you can't deny the fact that leaders work under the under the tenure of administrator. Administrator teach them what to do and what not to do. And as a result, leaders can be fooled easily by administrator. And if we compare leader, so leader have very less time of tenure. As for example, they have only 5 years, but administrator have lifetime tenure. He can do corruption as long as they want. So how can you say that a leader is more corrupt? But I have proved myself that administrators are more corrupt.
No, as you told that leaders have 5 years tenure,
Yeah.
so that's why they commit corruption more and more, so that
They have more chances. Administrators have more chances to do corruption.
yeah, they also have more chances, but I'm talking about leaders. They have only 5 years to earn money. That's why they corrupt more.
Okay, but do you know that our administrators are more educated? They have read our constitution. They know all rules and regulation, and they can easily make a leader fool. Easily make our leader fool, and they have more chances to do corruption. It is true that there is a little chances to be caught. That is why the name of administrators are not maligned. That is why leaders are maligned, because there is very little chances to be caught for our officers. So how can you say that?
According to me, leaders are more corrupt. As I told, if there is any someone who has high recognition, like he is a criminal, then he can take help of leader to get out from the bars. So
These activities also officers can do, and having more power, he can never be dismissed from his duty. A officer can never be turned out from his duty. A leader can be, and also he can be transferred, but he can't be dismissed from his duty, and that is why he has more chances to do corruption. In our India, what we found that leaders generally do not perform. Administrators generally perform their duty well, and that is why India is corrupt and India is developing country. According to the international perception, according to the International Transparency Index, the corruption perception index in our country ranks 85 out of 193 countries, and the score of our country is 40 out of 100, and the top ranked country was Finland, Iceland, and Denmark. So, and our score for many years, for the last 10 years, our score has been stagnant. If I talk about the index of 2020, so our rank still remains 85. So, I think that because of administrators, they are more greedy. Because of administrators, our rank has been stagnant, and they are more greedy and selfish. If they do their work properly, so the leaders who are corrupt can be caught easily. So why don't they do so? Why don't they do their duty accurately? Honestly, I say.
I want to say that still I feel that leaders are more corrupt, because if I talk about elections, then they give money to voters to vote them, and they also they can do whatever they want to. They do whatever they just want to win the election by hook or crook, so that they can rule the country, state, and city. Because and leaders are more corrupt because they are not doing anything for the betterment of society.
Okay, I will give you one more idea. You can easily see that our police officers, our traffic police easily accept bribes in roads. And also, I think you in your life you have done corruption one time and two times, maybe you have done. But you can easily see that our police never perform their duty well. If they perform, the crimes can be stopped and we can overpower crimes easily. But what they do, they support criminals and they accept bribes. They generally don't register the FIR against the criminals. And in our traffic police, accept the bribe. That is why the revenue doesn't go to the consolidated fund of India, and that is why that is why people generally don't pay their taxes. So it is the fault of administrators. I will totally blame administrators. I will never blame our leader because they are uneducated, and leaders are only uneducated. You can see.
Yes, leaders are uneducated. That's why they want to get bribed, so that after 5 years, maybe they lose their portfolio. That's why they commit more and more corruption.
Uneducation of course leads corruption, but being an educated person, why administrators don't perform their duty well? So I will blame only administrator that because of them that corruption is at peak and our India is still corrupt for many years.
So you will, if you think that administrators are more corrupt, then
No.
it's your wish. But I will think that
I will keep on blaming administrators.
So I will also keep on blaming leaders that they
Or
are
we
corrupt.
keep on, but they
Okay, girls, okay, don't fight, please. Of course, it's a matter of major concern that corruption in our country is increasing. Of course, leaders are responsible for this one, but it's the one-sided thing if we say like this, that leaders are only responsible for corruption. It would be one-sided statement. So what I'm trying to tell you is, of course, administrators are also corrupt because they work in the offices. They just deal with the people. They accept the bribe. Without bribe, they really do not do any work. And leaders also, they sometimes put pressure upon them to get the work done. So I think that it cannot be said that only leaders are corrupt or only officers are corrupt. I think both are corrupt. Thank you.